Number 5. DJI Mini 2. 12MP camera with 4K/30 fps video and a 3-axis motorized gimbal. Mini 2 supports up to 10 km of HD video transmission. Max battery life of 31 minutes. 4x digital zoom makes it safer and more convenient. DJI Mini 2 automatically records and shoots professional level videos. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. UniCQ 500 4K Typhoon. Built-in touchscreen, integrated 3-axis precision gimbal camera. 4K/30 fps ultra high definition video, 1080p/120 fps slow motion video. User controlled video resolution, white balance, and light exposure. 12 megapixel photos with no distortion lens. Does not include aluminum case, includes one battery. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. 12MP 1/2.3 cm sensor. 2x 24 to 48 mm optical zoom plus dolly zoom. 48MP super resolution photos. OcuSync 2.0 transmission technology. Up to 31 minutes flight time. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Autel Robotics Evo 2. Excellent video and image resolution. Stability and reliability in flight. Simplicity and fluency of operating system. Long distance HD image transmission. 40-minute flight time at the top speed of 44 mph. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. DJI Mavic Air 2. The Mavic Air 2 camera drone takes power and portability to the next level. Capture impressive 48MP photos with a 1/2-inch CMOS sensor. 3-axis gimbal provides 4K/60 fps video. An impressive flight time of up to 34 minutes. Spotlight 2.0 keeps the camera locked on a subject while you fly freely. Please check the description for details and best price.